Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, my IT Lab Tutors. The assignment of our today my IT Lab class is Excel 4G recreation. First of all, I am going to do the project description. In the following projects, you will assist Jam Devils. Here is our Excel sheet. You can see here. Now I am going to open the Excel workbook student Excel 4G recreation. Open the Excel workbook student Excel 4G recreation. I already open the Excel workbook. Now I am going to do the Excel second step. Click cell in A2 and insert a recommended pivot chart by using the blank pivot table option to the lower left corner to the dialog box. My second step is click in cell N to insert a recommended pivot table. Here is my second step. Now I am going to do this our second step. I have done this assignment for by many students. If you need the solution for this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I can do whole my IT Lab class with quality grades. I am doing for my many students. If you need the solution for any assignments, you can contact me. Here is my Excel workbook. You can see here. I already open it. Now I am going to do the step number 2. Insert a blank pivot table. That is recommended by using the recommended pivot table by choosing the blank pivot table option lower left corner of the dialog. Now I am going to insert a pivot table by using the recommended pivot table. Here is in blank pivot table. Here is I inserted blank pivot table. You can see here. Add the month field to the filter area and add the center field to the row area. Now I am going to insert a field, month field into the filter area. You can see here I am going to insert the month field to the filter area. I inserted the month field to the filter area. You can see here I move the month field to the filter area and then the second center the field to the row area. Now you can see here ROM and amount. Close the pivot table. Now I am going to close the pane. I have done the step number 2. Now I am going to the step number 3. I have done this assignment for my many students with 100% grade. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. Now I am going to do the step number 3. Show the task pane. Format the value number category and display the 0 places and 100 separator. You can say now I am going to open the value field setting. Here is our value field setting. Number format with 0 decimal point by selecting the using the 100 separators. Here is our 100 separator. Fill in the 1000 formatter. You can see here. I have done the step number 3. Now I am going for the step number 4. Insert a slicer for the program and the center field. Now I am going to do the step number 4. Insert selector for the program and the center field and then the filter by the board. If you need a solution for this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I always done 100% grade for my all students. Insert a slicer for the program and the center fields and then filter by the board all senior center and then the submit and the watercolor revenue. Now I am going to insert the slicer. Here is our slicer month slicer for the program and center fields. You can see here I am going to insert the slicer. I inserted 2 slicer for program and the slicer for center fields and then filter by the board hole. Now I am going to filter board hole senior center and the submit and the water cooler revenue. Now I am going to filter the slicer. You can see here. If you need the solution of this assignment, it's a major grade project of the Excel 4G recreation for the My IT Lab class. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through My IT Lab class. If you need the solution for this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I am going to do the Excel 4G recreation. It's our major project of the MyLab class. Here I'm going to do the step number 4 by inserting the slicer. I have inserted the two slicer for program and the slicer for center field. Here is our step number 4. Now I am going to filter the ball hall and senior center and ceramics and the watercolor avenue. Move the slicer. You can see here I am going to do the step number 4. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I already done this assignment for my many students with 100% grades. I am going to do the step number 4. Move the center slicer, that is the upper left corner of the line, into H3 and make a copy of the worksheet. Now I am going to do the step number 4. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me. I already put my email address on your screen. You can find me through email address. I have done this assignment with 100% grade for my many students. Here I am going to do the step number 4. Inserting the slicer. I already inserted two slicer. Here you can see I am doing the step number 4. I am going to insert the slicer. You can see here I inserted the slicer. If you need the solution for this assignment, you can contact me. I already inserted two slicer. I'm going to do this step. Here I am going to do the step number 4. I am inserting the slicer and moving of the slicer. You can see here. Here you can see I selected board has senior center. Okay. Now again I am going to select and deselect for the all. You can see here waterwood. Okay for the center slice. You can see here. Here I am going to do the step number 4. If you need the solution for this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email address. I already done this assignment with 100% grade for my many students. I am dealing whole classes for my many students. You can contact me through WhatsApp or email. You will always satisfy with quality grades. Okay. Here is our step number 4. Rearrangement of the slice. Okay. Here is our center slicer and here is our program slicer. Okay, done. Now I have done the question step number 4 and make a copy for the worksheet, and then the name of the copy worksheet is board hall. Now I am going to make a copy for the worksheet, that's board hall, and rename that copy worksheet as board hall. I made a copy for the worksheet, that's name, it's board hall. Now I am going to rename that copy worksheet. Here is our, I'm going to rename the copy worksheet. I'm going to remove or rename. Here is our create a copy. Okay, I copied the worksheet and I'm going to rename it. I already copied. I'm going to paste the board hall. If you need the solution for this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment 100 times for my many students. You can contact me. You always satisfy with quality grades. I already put my email address and WhatsApp link in the description. Okay, now I have done the step number 4. Now I am going to for the step number 5. Here is my step number 5. Display the sheet 1 and clear all the filter from the slicer and remove the slicer from the worksheet. Now I am going to do the step number 5. Here is my step number 5. Display the sheet 1 and clear the filter from the slicer. Here is the sheet 1. Now I am going to clear the filter from the slicer. Remove the slicer and clear the filter. Now I am going to do clear the filter from slicer. You can see I am going to remove the filter from the slicer. Here is the slicer. Now I am going to remove the filter from the slicer. Okay, here clear filter from the center slicer. You can see here I am going to remove the filter from the slicer after selecting the program slice. Here clear filter from the program and clear filter from the center. Now you can see I remove the filter from the center and the program slicer. Okay, I have done. Now I am going to rename the sheet as the 3Q revenue. Now I am going to rename the worksheet that's 3Q revenue. Here is our question step number 5. Now I am going to complete the step number 5, that is rename the worksheet 3Q revenue. Now I am going to rename the worksheet. I have done this assignment many times for my many students. If you need the solution of any assignment of my IT lab class, my IT lab stats, my IT lab mathematics, my IT lab accounting, you can contact me. I always available here for you. I already put my contact in description. Now I am going to do the rename the worksheet. That I am going to copy and going to rename the worksheet, that is 3Q revenue. It's my step number 5 of the my grader assignment of the my IT lab class, that's Excel 4G Recreation. Now here is I am going to rename the worksheet. You can see I am going to rename the worksheet Excel 4G Recreation. Is it sorry 3Q revenue. You can see here I renamed the worksheet, that's 3Q revenue. I have done the question number 4, step number 5. You can see here I am doing the major grader project of the my IT lab class Excel 4G Recreation. I have done this many times for my many students with 100% grades. If you need the solution for this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I already given my email address on the screen. I have done the step number 5. Now I am going for the step number 6. Insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart type. Move the chart to a new worksheet name, that's 3Q revenue chart. Okay, now I'm going to do the step number 6. Insert a pivot chart. Now I'm going to do the insert a pivot chart. Insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart type. Move the chart to a new worksheet name, 3Q revenue. Here is our step number 6. Insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart type. Move the chart to a new worksheet name, 3Q revenue chart. I am going to do the step number 6. Insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart type. Insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart type. Move the chart to a new worksheet name, 3Q revenue chart. Insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart type. Move the chart to a new worksheet name, 3Q revenue chart. Now I am going to do the step number 6. You can see here I am doing the Excel 4G Recreation. It's a grader project of my lab class. If you need the solution for this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for my many students with 100% grades. You always contact me for quality grades. I have done this assignment many times. You can contact me for any class, any assignment, any quizzes, any exam. I have done this assignment already. Now I am going to do the step number 6. You can see here insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart. Move the chart to a new worksheet name, that 3Q revenue chart. You can see here I am going to do for the Excel sheet. Here is my step number 6. Sorry. Here is our Excel book. Now I'm going to do the step number 6. Insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart type. Move the chart to a new worksheet name. That's 3K revenue chart. Insert a new pivot chart using the stacked column chart type. Move the chart to a new sheet worksheet with 3K revenue chart. I am going to do the my lab grader project Excel 4G recreation. If you need a solution for this grader project, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I am always available here. I already put my email address on screen. You can contact me through email. Also, you can contact me through WhatsApp also. I have done this assignment many times for my many students with 100% grades. Now I am going to do the step number 6. Here I am going to insert a recommend pivot chart. You can see here cluster column chart. I am going to insert a chart. A stacked column chart. Insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart. Now I am going to insert a pivot chart using this stacked column chart. Here is a stacked column chart. You can see here I have inserted a stacked column chart. Move the chart to a new worksheet named 3Q revenue chart. Now I am going to move this chart to a new sheet that is called 3Q revenue chart. After inserting the chart, now I am going to move this chart to a new sheet. Now I am going to move this chart to new sheet. Now I am going to copy the 3Q revenue chart. I copied it. I am going to paste into new chart. Home. Move chart in the chart design. Move chart. New sheet. I already copied. Now I am going to paste here 3Q revenue chart. Here is our 3Q revenue chart. I've moved to its new sheet. Our new sheet is 3Q revenue chart. I have done the step number 6. Now I am going to do the step number 7. Apply the layout to chart layout. Hide all field button. Now I am going to change the layout in the chart design. Here is our chart quick layout. Apply the 3 quick layout 2 and hide all the field button from the chart. Now I am going to hide all field button. Here is our all field button in I think format. I can find in this format. Here is the format. Field button chart analysis. So here is our field button in pivot chart analysis. I am going to hide all field button. And then insert a custom footer with the file name in the left side. Now I am going to as the chart title. Now I am going to paste the chart title after hiding the field button. Our chart title is third quarter program revenue. Now I am going to copy and paste the third quarter program revenue. Here I am going to paste the chart title. Our chart title is third quarter program revenue. You can see here I copied and pasted the chart title. Now I am going to insert a footer by putting the file name in the left section. That's the last point of this step. Now I am going to Do the next step. Apply the custom footer with the file name in the left section. Now I'm going to apply the custom footer by putting the file name in the left section. Here is the margin. I'm going to apply the custom footer. Here is the custom footer, and by putting the file name in the left section. Here is our custom footer, file name in the left section. Okay, I have completed this solution. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I am always available here. I have done this assignment many times for my many students. If you need the solution for this assignment, you can contact me. You can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done the step number 7. Now I am going to do the step number 8. Our next step number 8 is add a new worksheet to the workbook on the data tab. Get data. Okay. I have done the sum step of this assignment. I have done this assignment for my many students. If you need a solution for this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I am always available here for you. If you need solution for any MyLab class, MyLab mathematics, MyLab stats, MyLab accountant and finance, you can contact me. I can manage, I can handle your all classes. Here I have done the grader project of MyLab class, Excel 4G recreation. We are dealing, you can see here, we are dealing whole classes. If you need help in any class, you can contact me. We are dealing whole classes. Contact us for the quality grades. Okay, thank you so much.